Yo, what is going on here? What's up, G?
Yeah,
Music.
good stuff.
You looking at what are you looking at music for?
Music. Yeah, someone was asking about it.
Wait, so what's with the camera?
What's wrong with the camera?
Oh, I mean, maybe my vision's a little bit bad, but I'm
Yeah,
seeing
have you
seeing
been have
blurry.
you been drinking?
Oh, I've not been drinking, but maybe.
Could be a simulation of drinking.
Oh, okay. Maybe I was like when I sleep drinking, like I had a little nap earlier. Maybe like I went, whoa. Okay, man, I've never drunk anything that made me do this before. That's crazy,
Yeah,
man. Hey,
this one,
I'm
this
on here.
one
I'm doing
actually.
some freestyle raps for people. You want to hear a rap? Hey,
What's wrong with my teeth? I'm not into rap really.
what if do you like songs? I can also sing.
Are you live streaming or something?
Nah, I'm recording some clips for YouTube.
I'm doing the same thing, but we're like in different areas,
I
totally
think we
different.
can do a collaboration here. Here, I'll try get it. What kind of music do you like?
I mean, how many people sing on YouTube and stuff?
Zero. Like I've got maybe 10 subscribers. I'm just having some fun.
Uh, no, I'm actually. What's your channel?
It's
That's my channel.
this BioniChaos.
BioniChaos, yeah.
I have to wait. Let me write that down. Let me have a look.
But yeah, I'm not streaming at the moment. So.
By
Yeah, recording is pretty with my type of content is pretty hopeless with on this platform. Some
oh
people don't
man,
like AI. They like AI generated music. So it's difficult.
yeah, dude, true, true. Wait, so what you?
I
Okay,
actually had like a music generator. Can actually I'll send you a link.
okay, Matt. So you're a big science man.
At least, yeah.
I did engineering at uni, so
Ah,
I
yeah.
I love that
What
shit,
kind of
man.
engineer?
I did
Software.
mechanical.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, mechanical. Mechanical is good.
dude. So you got a video on quantum wave function
Ah,
simulations.
yeah.
What piqued
Well,
your interest about that?
that's kind of an obvious one to to make.
Yeah, why? What makes it obvious? Because not obvious to me why you'd make a video about it.
Uh, no, just testing like AI models how well they can because I'm essentially turning like science concepts into interactive web applications. That's what I do on YouTube.
Oh, mad. Okay. So you'll take a science concept and you'll turn it into an interactive thing that you can use on the web. And is that so people get a like more fundamental understanding of how the science actually works in real time when you're actually trying to apply it to something or play around? What's the idea behind it?
Yeah, pretty much. That's a good. You explained it much better than I could ever done. So
I doubt that. I seriously doubt that.
yeah, so making like web applications like this, like simulating robotic arms and whatnot.
Oh, okay. And so you're really interested in what are you interested in?
Yeah, doing music. Had actually four. Yeah, turning EEG brainwaves into music.
Wow.
That works pretty well.
It works well?
I mean, it's generating. It's in the eye of the beholder, right? So if you call it music or not, like I mean, it's actually
Wait.
using like piano notes.
Can
I'll
I can I put some on? What how do I
yeah
find
yeah
some? What's it called?
yeah. I'll send you a link. I'll
Yeah, send
send
me the
you a
link.
link to it. Yeah, you can like scroll. Yeah, this one I did like a while back. That's essentially will turn this waveforms into music, so you can like scroll the. Those are actual brain recordings.
Wow. Who's brain recording?
Epilepsy patients.
Wow. And
Like
you turn
someone's some
Hmm.
medical recordings.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. And so oh my goodness. I'm just having a
So
look.
that's actually a seizure. That's actually an epileptic seizure. So you can essentially hear. I mean, it's useful in the sense that you can hear what's the difference, like how a seizure sounds compared to like non-seizure. Yeah.
What? Wait, so how do I play this? Where's the play button?
Oh, it just scroll. It just scrolled the. There's like a scroller, a scroll controller. Oh, I can actually hear it. Yeah, I can hear your feedback.
Whoa.
So that
So
the spiking there is a seizure. So if you keep it at the 10-second whatever, there will be seizure somewhere in the middle of that recording, and no
yeah.
seizure at the end. So you can kind of hear
Oh, okay.
what difference does it,
Wait, let
like
me.
how it differently sounds.
Okay, wait. I want to try again.
But it's all it's pretty accurate in terms of like representation. Well, there's an actual frequency turned into musical notes.
Right. So you're
Yeah, so
basically
it will actually
taking.
play whatever combination like chords, but the chords will be decided based on the frequency found in that specific time window.
Okay. How do they? So what? These are frequencies of the brain, but what does that mean?
How fast or how slow your brain waves are activated. So
But
you can see, yeah, you can see on the same page. If you scroll down, you can see like the theta, alpha, beta waves. So yeah, so each
mm,
one, so essentially the energy, the amount of each bandwidth within that energy spectrum, whatever, will be translated into piano note. In this case, I mean, you can translate it into anything else, but it's tried to keep it fairly accurate to the source.
okay, that's mad. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. Whoa. What's another thing that you're interested? What? Okay, yeah. What's another thing that you're interested in? Let me have a look. What else you got?
Yeah, everything I do is pretty much it goes eventually onto the website. So I develop it live on YouTube, and then it goes onto the site.
Okay. Why
Yeah,
I stopped
music wise,
using Cursor AI? What's Cursor
ah,
AI?
so, yeah, not. I tried it a couple times, but yeah, I'm like whatever product agnostic. Like I don't mind which, but yeah, it's all vibe coded. It is vibe coded.
Hmm. What do you think about vibe coding to the future of how things are made, created, learned about?
It's not the future, it's the now.
Oh shit! I like that. I like that.
Well, it works. It works for me. I'm putting all my money on it.
Yes. Okay. So you're by putting all your money on it. What does that mean?
Well, time, and all my time.
And what are you trying to figure out? Like, what's one thing? Like, what are you trying to learn? Like, you're trying to just understand it? What's the goal?
No, using it. I do train my own models as well, but they're not language. They're not language models.
Mm.
Yeah, I had another version of the music generator, whatever, with an actual model, with a trained like music generator, but that didn't work well. But
Yeah. So you tried to train a music generator and it didn't work well.
no, I have one that is right, but it's more like deterministic. It's more, yeah, you can like preset your, the usual suspect, like your tempo, no duration, randomness, whatever it will
Mm.
play. You have multiple what's called instruments and stuff, so that works. But yeah, if you're trying to make it more realistic and trying to like actually train a better model, which I had a go at it didn't work whatever first attempt, but yeah, it's worth probably doing again. But there are existing models. I mean, uh,
Damn. That's
there is
mad.
Google has one. I actually stopped it because I wanted to use it in my like live streams as a background music video. But then
Yeah.
so I made my own, but then discovered that Google has a better version.
What's
So
Google's version called?
uh, it's uh, it's in Google Labs MusicFX DJ. That's the Google's version. Yeah, so I've been using that for like background music and stuff.
Wow. So it's creating music on the spot that you're listening to.
it's literally, there's
And it's good
another
music.
version where you can actually literally prompt, like you can write, open-ended, whatever text prompts, like give me whatever Barocca tuba from the whatever 12th century, and it will
Oh,
actually
this
do it.
is awesome.
But
No
this one is
way.
more one that I like, more for engineering oriented, where you can actually preset things
Okay.
like the chaos, the randomness of it, brightness, density. You can remove your drums, bass. They even set beats per minute and the key it's playing it.
Okay.
It's quite.
All right. Okay. I reckon. Okay. Can we do something here? I think we
So
have
you
it.
can do content. Yeah, you can do content on
Okay.
that. I'm
Okay.
pretty sure someone already did, but
This is what we're gonna do. Okay. We're gonna create a prompt together, and we're gonna build a beat together, and then I'm
Yeah.
gonna either sing/rap about it, and we're gonna include like some of the ideas that we've been talking about. What's a good prompt? Do you think?
no.
Maybe.
So this one you don't. There is another version of it that has the actual prompt, open whatever text prompt that you can do. And I don't like it because I like this one better because it's more, settings based, less
This has ad
ambiguous.
prompts. This has ad prompts.
Those are essentially like meant to type like something basic like jazz or drum and bass, whatever, or piano, stuff
Okay.
like
Yeah.
that.
Well, let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Okay. Rap. No. We're gonna go hip hop.
I tried pretty much like all of them. Jazz is pretty safe. It's pretty good. Well, because it's easy to
All right,
generate.
we're going hip hop jazz. Let's see what it's got. Come on. Do you reckon it'll be good?
Yeah, I'm more interested in like creating one myself.
Oh. Dude, so how do you go about creating one?
Train a model.
This is not bad.
Yeah, I've been using it for quite some time.
All right. We gotta have some fun with this. Okay. Wait. What is something that you would like to include in this rap that I'm gonna do right now? Trust me. Just trust me. I'll make it appropriate for you.
Like a biomedical data. I mean, if you can include my website, YouTube channel and stuff.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Let's definitely get that in. I'll definitely get that in.
But what is it? Biomedical data technology education.
Okay, biomedical data, technology, education. Okay.
Yeah.
Biomedical data, technology, and education. All right. Are we ready? I think we're ready. Let's get how did we do this? I was in the okay, wait, I'm in the wrong tab. Oh, so you add some okay. We're adding random things and then we turn it up and down. Okay. And what's a random instrument or genre that you like? I'll add it in.
No, I don't know. Like I like pretty much anything, but I just know what works with this generator is pretty much like I've been putting like essentially jazz and then like drum and bass, and then like alto saxophone and stuff. So you keep it like basic, like up to not more than three things. Otherwise it gets all
okay. I see. All right.
Yeah, I'll play one myself as well.
All right. Are we ready? We're going to do it to him. Okay. We had bioengineering, technology, and education. Oh, wait. We got to let it load though. Okay. Let's let a little Google boy warm up a bit. Oh. Yeah. Woo. All right. Okay, we can work with this. Yeah. Listen, I'm a Okay.
Maybe you can pre-record it or something.
Come on. Let's not cut out on me, eh? All right. When I paint a little picture, I'ma open up a clearing. First, I'm gonna tell you about biomedical engineering. This is something that is very important for everybody on the planet, so I'm here just reporting. When I do this, understand I'm rapping way too easily. Hook me to the EEG. Try and scan my brain, find out that the shit I'm rapping about is just insane. Meanwhile, the Google can't even keep up with my bars. It's a stop start when I be just kicking this hard. It's like, Now, it's kind of funny, because I'm right now rapping off my... Oh, okay, I'm putting on a normal beat. One sec. Wait, we continue. We continue.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, good. Yeah, good.
Wait. Okay, wait. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. We run it back. Yeah. This a little shout out. Oh, you're kidding me. Wait, just fucking wait, no. Shoot, keep your brain paused. You don't say a single word, my man. This is coming together. I swear to God. All right. Woo! Let's go. Yeah. Listen, I'm about to teach you lessons, and then you're gonna stack. This a little bit the lyrics for a man that really doesn't like rap. So I'm gonna spit it, cause these people, they've been fond of me. I'm about to rhyme about some shit that's technology. Because listen, I understand I'm a strange guy, but from the future we be talking like it's AI. We're gonna be able to vibe code. It's like that could be up in the future. Nah bro, he's telling me that's now. If you ain't on that shit, well then you're not being honest, bitch. You're not understanding the trends of society right now. If you do admire me, look at the YouTube channel. You'll find out I can do things that you can't. And it's how though? It's like, well, I can take an EEG scan of a guy that's having a schizophrenic fit, and I can change the notes and make it play piano. Fucking how though? Well, that's the way that technology evolves. We gon' never realize a point that we devolve. So if we gonna do this and we do it and we stay boss, I'm gonna say check out BioniChaos. He's the man, cause I saying I'm the new dude. Invest in everything he has up on this YouTube, and on the ability to just create and understand that AI needs to compensate. So he's gonna do a little bit of exploration. Every time I do this here, I'm gonna meet vibrations in the head. But understand the number one most important thing in life is education. Cause if you don't understand what's around you, well, understand it will astound you. I'm gonna do this cause I'm causing mad harm, while this dude, he be playing with this bionical arm. Like, how am I gonna make this grab something? Cause one day gonna be here just rapping things. I could make a little bionical arm on my computer and click 3D print, and I'ma shoot ya. Man, I don't even need to just create it. I could go on AI and say, maybe could you create me an arm that's really good at writing raps and maybe playing chess? That's the best. You click print and it'll come to your door. It's like, man, this shit I just cannot ignore, because otherwise, you know, I'ma be up on the hype line and I'm gonna be here behind times. Woo!
Nice, very nice.
Hey, that took a while, but we got it done. That's
yeah, pretty good.
That's for BioniChaos and the future of AI.
It should be live on radio somewhere.
Hey, I'm making some. I told you I'm making some clips for YouTube. Is it cool if I use some of this?
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Hey, I appreciate that. Hey, well, if you wanted to check it out, it's here, I'll type my channel in the chat. Yeah, that's it. Hey, well, I appreciate you listening to it, even though the man is not a fan of rap. So that's huge.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Hey,
yeah, I'm not signed in on this in this browser, but
let's go, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate you, man. I hope good luck, because, bro, I've been talking to a lot of people that are working on startups at the moment, and just they're all AI. All AI. Everyone's just dumping everything into it. It seems to be really making mad progress. So, do you use AI to edit your videos?
Like, I had it like semi automated.
What do you use?
But so essentially, use the AI to write Python code to just do the basics. You know, getting rid of silent bits. You know, just basic stuff, and break it into pieces. Get rid of the silence. Because I live stream, so most of the live streams there's a lot of silence going on.
Right, I see. Yeah.
So I'm doing like 6 hours, sometimes up to several hours. So it's a pretty basic editing that I can semi-automate. Just Python libraries.
Let's go. Hey, that's hype, man. Hey, well, good luck on your shit, man. I love it. I love it.
Cool.
Lovely to meet you, man. Bless.
Yeah, you too. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks.